Hi guys, today we are going to replace Xiaomi Pocophone F1 LCD replacement. The screen of this device is working, but the customer wanted to replace it because it's broken. Before we continue, it's better for you to remove the SIM card slot. After that, we have two screws. We need to remove them with T340. Then we need to push the frame out from the screen using any plastic tool or our nails. Be careful not to push too much. We have flex cable in the back, so don't cut the flex cable. Just push it a little bit from the screen. Watch me, then do the operation. To remove the flex cable of the fingerprint, we need to remove all the screws and remove this plastic shield. I just wanted to remove it now so I can work better because I don't want to cut it. Okay. Now you can remove the plastic shield. Now unplug the battery, then the flex cable of the screen, and after that the flex cable of the main board to the sub. Now we need to remove the loudspeaker, remove all screws and take out the loudspeaker. Remove the flex cable of the main board and the sub. Now we need to take out the battery. You can use this sticker to remove it. You can push it a little bit so you can handle it and remove it without any hurt. Maybe you need to heat the back screen at 260 degrees so you can remove the battery easily. For me, I just tried to remove it without heat, and it worked. Now we need to heat the screen to remove it, and after that we are going to put the new LCD and test it before the full assemble. Always and always test the LCD before the full assemble. Sometimes the screen could came damaged and then you can't replace it. After you remove the screen, you need to clean all over the frame. You can't leave any tiny piece of glass, otherwise when you put the new LCD, you can easily break it. Remove this red sticker, then test. After testing, all was good. There is nothing with the screen. The screen is perfect. After that, you can assemble it. Now for the second time you need to make sure the frame is very cleaned and well. You need to remove the glass and clean the adhesive. I'm using T8000 glow. It's better for me. Maybe you can use different. No need to put too much glue, just you need to go all over the edges and all over the frame. Don't put too much glue near the ear speaker and the cameras and the sensors, otherwise you can block the view or make something bad. After that, bring the new LCD, put it in position and then you can push it to the frame. This work should be perfectly done. Looks like company's work. After that, you just need now to assemble back the phone. Everything has been told. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.